Hello, my name is Tahira. Today we will be testing out some products.
Hello, my name is Shahida, and if you saw from the previous video, we did the lower lights, but today I have the higher lights, and these are all the versions. And it can also change different colors. Now I'm going to connect all of the lights together. And now the set is finished. Now I'm going to take it for a test drive.
I hope you like it. Now we have a lima from this box.
As Sheeta said, last time we checked out our previous lights. So now we're gonna do a different kind of light. As Sheeta has hers here, I have mine here. Now I'm gonna do my previous lights with my new lights. Okay, these are my new lights. I haven't seen them yet. Whoa. Okay. Now let's take it for a test drive.
Hope you like the video. Like and subscribe.